Welcome to Module 3, Design. In this module, you will learn how to lay out the company profiles on Canva using the photos and QR codes prepared in the previous module. This is an essential step to give the guide a professional, harmonious, and attractive appearance. The goal is to create a clear and coherent visual sheet for each company while respecting the graphic charter of the destination guide project. Each sheet must be recognizable, readable, and pleasant to consult. Start by opening the official Canva template shared by your manager. This template already contains the essential elements: the background, text, areas, and placeholders for the photo and QR code. Never create a sheet from scratch. Always use the common template so that all sheets in the guide share the same visual identity. In Canva, click on Import, then add the two files saved in your Drive folder, the main photo and the company's QR code. Drag the photo into the designated area, adjust the framing without deforming it, then place the QR code in the indicated spot. Add the descriptive text, the company's name, and a short description. To do this, automatically generate it with ChatGPT by telling it, write a short professional presentation, maximum 115 characters for company name, which offers type of activity at location in a neutral and valorizing tone, and provide the photos from the folder to assist in its writing. Consult the company's best website to copy and paste some text blocks or take screenshots. This will help the AI to suggest a better text. Then copy the obtained sentence and paste it into the text box on Canva. Check for coherence and correct any mistakes or formatting if needed. If you are asked to create a larger advertising format, it's the same principle, but adapt the maximum number of characters required. Make sure the texts are properly aligned and the font and colors adhere to the branding guidelines. Slightly enlarge the map and position the cursor. If needed, you can choose another of the 5 maps, for example, if a provider is farther away or if they are in the city center and you want to maintain good image quality. Finally, remove the background from the QR code using the dedicated button. If you are creating multiple sheets, ensure that they all have the same style, same text size, same margins, same element positioning, in accordance with the mockup. Adapt the color code of the tracking table to highlight your work done. In summary: 1. Open the official Canva template. 2. Import the photo and the QR code. 3. Add the descriptive text generated by AI. 4. Check visual consistency. 5. Indicate your progress on the board. Thank you for your involvement. Thanks to your work, the sheets come to life and the guide becomes more attractive with each update. In Module 4, Publication, you will learn how to integrate and control these sheets in the online guide and update the digital version for distribution.